How to draw a frog with crayon, with only 4 simple steps. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. For steps. Just need a green color crayon. Draw the face as big as you want. Good job! Five facts about frogs. They catch prey with their tongues. Many frogs can jump 20 times their own height. Frogs are amphibian. Frogs drink and breathe through the skin. Frogs have a visual field of almost 360 degrees, so they can look around them all the time.